Hello, hello. It looks like it's September and time for autumn decorations. So if you like to make something very cute and you don't want to spend lots of time with that, you are at the right place. For creating these pumpkins, you just need some scraps of old fabric. As you can see, I'm just reusing some. And all what you have to do, you just have to cut these straight lines. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to match perfectly. I will show you later why. And because I like to have one pumpkin slightly bigger, I'm also using this new fabric, but just make sure they match when it comes to color, and let's to make them. So as you can see, I'm just showing on the video part which have to be sewed on sewing machine. Honestly, it can be also done by hands, but it's much more easy by a machine. And once when it is done, it looks like that one. You just turn your work on other side and just keep stitching with your hands. So as you can see, it can take a minute, but it's not something that takes ages. Basically, I made all this video in maybe 15 minutes, so you can see how quick it can be made. And once when you finish bottom, just make knot, and then just keep going on the top side in same way as we did the bottom. As you can see, it starts to fold all nicely together. I just like to mention that for doing this, I really recommend to use some kind of thread which you can really pull and it will not break. So once when you did the bottom and top part, you just fill everything. It can take a minute, but just make sure it's there is plenty of filling inside, as you want to make your pumpkin look nicely standing. And this is important why you need something that will not break while you are pulling your thread, because you will keep pulling this thread. So please make sure you definitely use something that will not break when it's pulled a little bit. Okay, so once when you are happy how it looks like, just sew that hole a little bit, and you can place cinnamon stick on the place, and then just use needle and thread and basically pull everything together. Just do it few times so it stays secure, and also make sure it looks nice. You can also use this thread for creating this kind of pumpkin foldings. As you can see, I'm just doing on the video, and really just keep going and securing top of your pumpkin until you are happy how it looks like. It really depends on the material and how big pumpkin is, how much time you have to spend with that. But yeah, when it's ready, just use glue gun to secure everything, and it's done.